Good afternoon. My name is Oksana Pavlovna. I'm a teacher of foreign language at Sherbakty Agricultural and Technical College. College has modern equipment for learning English. Students actively participate in different activities, engaged in creative works, prepare for different Olympiads and conferences. Modern textbook helps them learn new information.
Hello, my name is Victoria. I am a participant of the regional Olympiad in English.
Hello, my name is Konstantin. I am a participant in the Olympiad and I won first place in college.
Hello, my name is Victoria. I'm a participant of the regional scientific conference on English.
Hello, my name is Olga. I am developing game apps for different professions.
You read the text what is nanotechnology and why is important. Answer my question. The first question. What is nanotechnology? The second question. What is nanometer? The third question. Why is nanotechnology important? Who answer? Okay. Kirill. What is nanotechnology?
Nanotechnology is the understanding and control of matter at dimensions between approximately 1 and 100 nanometers.
Okay. Next question. What is nanometer? Okay.
A nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter.
This third question. Why is nanotechnology important? Kostya, please.
Nanotechnology improves existing industrial process, materials and applications by scaling them down to the nanoscale in order to ultimately fully exploit the unique quantum and surface phenomena that matter exhibits at the nanoscale.
Okay, sit down, please. Good. Today I want to show new words for making a lesson plan. Plan. Repeat after me.
Plan.
Aims.
Aims.
Educational.
Educational.
Study English